Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher, and today we're on the all-new 2026 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. I'm going to take you throughout the interior of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. So back here, the star of the show, the Mercury outboard. This boat is powered by a 350 V10 Mercury. It's going to be plenty of propulsion to do anything you're looking to do out on the water. And obviously, right over the top of it is a stainless steel ski tow bar. This is one of the only two-braided ski tow bars out on the market. As you can see, this also does come equipped in the aft section with buoy holders. It's going to keep you from taking up your under seat storage on the rest of your boat. Over here on your starboard side, as far as getting access in and out of the boat, we do have a lily pad ladder with super wide steps, so it's going to give you easy access in and out of the boat. And one of the greatest seating areas on the boat is going to be your sun pad area. This is a transformable area. You can lay this backrest down and give you some different seating positions while you're tied up out on the water. Making our way into the cockpit, as you can see, it's going to have the fiberglass arch. It's really going to elevate the look of the boat and give you a luxury feel. This layout does have the dual captain's chairs. Over here on your port side, it's going to have some cup holders and some wireless charging options. Making our way up to the helm, this is an elevated helm. So even with seats or riders in the bow, you're going to be able to have a clear view over the front of the bow and make sure you're getting everybody where they need to go. You have dual SIM-RADs here for your navigation, your engine functions, and display. Also do have some switches for your underwater lights and your interior lights as well. This boat does come equipped with JL audio, so you're going to have an amazing sound system throughout the entire boat. Making our way up to the bow, it's going to have a center storage in the tune, as well as a bilge pump, so you can throw all your life jackets and floaties and keep those stored away nicely in there. And up here at the bow, you have two great bench style loungers here. Plenty of seating for all your friends and family. Also comes equipped with plenty of cup holders as well as speakers, so this is going to be a great area to sit while you're out on the water. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, stop by your local MarineMax today. Thanks.